Hello YouTube, it's your tech guide. My name is Chan and welcome to this channel. Okay, in this episode of my video, I'm going to teach you on how to create partition onto your USB stick or your hard drive. It's a very simple step-by-step procedure. Just follow what I'm going to do. And by the way, this video is exclusive for Mac users. But Windows, don't worry, I'll be creating a separate video and I'll be posting it down the description. Okay, so for now, just direct your attention to my main screen as I plug my USB stick to my laptop. Okay, right now I have plugged my USB stick. As you can see here on my main screen, it's here. So all you have to do is to go to disk utility. Type in disk utility, open the system, and then first you have to locate your USB stick. So in my case, this is my USB stick, and then click partition. Okay, once you click partition, now it's up to you how many partitions you would like to create. So in this case, I would like to create 4 partitions for the sake of this tutorial. So how to do it? Just click plus plus plus. Okay, I have created 4 partitions already for to my USB stick. So I'll press apply, click partition, and then let the system create a partition. By the way, I'm not using any special tool or any special software for this. Just straight away go to your disk utility and just follow the step-by-step procedure. Okay, so right now I have a partition here in my desktop. As you can see, let's review how many. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, click done, and that's it for this episode. For my video, I have created already 4 partition. Okay, so if you learned something from this video, just click subscribe down there and make sure you also watch from my other videos. Okay, so once again, I'm your tech guide. My name is Chan. Practice and make sure you do it yourself. Thank you and ciao for now. Bye.